Guys, imagine this scenario, that you are extremely good in communication and you are able to convince people, you are able to negotiate deals, you are able to make people impressed. Just चुटकी बजाते हैं. I was bullied in school a lot, and to the point कि I had extremely low self-esteem. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि यार क्या चल रहा है, because I was bullied on my complexion, I was bullied on my shape, basically. I was bullied on my weight because people thought that I'm fat. And yeah, class 6 के बच्चे को क्या ही पता होगा. And that was something that affected me a lot, to be completely honest. I used to come home, I used to cry a lot. And my mom used to say कि यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But of course, अगर दूसरे लोग तुम्हें जज कर रहे हैं, others are passing comments on you, you tend to think कि यार शायद सच बोल रहा है. तुम्हारी मम्मी तो she loves you, so obviously she's going to say good things about you. But maybe the people who are passing an opinion or judgment about you, maybe they are the people who are looking at me, right? So वही सही है. 10th पास किया, I passed with good marks. After which I remember I got distracted by a lot of things. Of course, you can understand what. And 12th, after my results, I got very mediocre marks. And because of which I had to go into a very small tier 4 college for my bachelor's. I did my BMS. ठीक है. उस time पे I didn't know what management is, what MBA is, or anything of that sort. तो वो करते करते in my first year I got into a lot of fights, I got into a lot of other distractions, and इसके वजह से ऐसे ही 2 साल निकल गए. In the third year, COVID struck. I was stuck online, जिसके वजह से फिर I started to explore a lot of things. I started to explore YouTube, and content creation started taking shape in my mind. मुझे लगने लगा कि यार शायद I can pursue a career in this. Guys, I have realized, what is the real bottleneck between being successful and being us? That is creativity. Yes, in the race to become consistent, हम इतने ज़्यादा consistent होना चाहते हैं कि regularly getting good marks, regularly traveling outside, regularly having fun, or to show our fake lives on social media, कि are regularly posting fancy pics. We have forgotten the essence of creativity and authenticity. Content creation, I wanted to become a celebrity बहुत पहले से. And everybody wants to be a celebrity at some point. They want fame, they want money. And I got distracted again. So I started a lot of things. I started a roast channel in Bangla because I'm a Bengali. So I started to do that. I tried to make a gaming channel. I tried to make a Bengali gaming channel. I tried to post movies. I started to, experiment with my content. I started to do a lot of new things with my content. And these were something that I liked, I loved doing as a hobby. And यही करते करते I realized कि I have no tangible skills. Okay, I had no communication skills, I was not good at studies, I had no tangible hobbies, I'm not getting anything out of my college, out of my education, I'm just wasting money. All of them failed. None of them became viral. I didn't get any fame. And I was aware कि me being in a tier 4 college, I'm not going to get any job. यहाँ पे placements नहीं होते, you just get a degree. अब आगे क्या? I was stuck, I was clueless. But in the second year of my college, I realized that यार यहाँ पे तो ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. I have to do something. And because of which I started preparing for CAT and my MBA competitive exams. I did not get good in CAT, of course, but I got 96 percentile in CMAT. And uske through, I then went into Wellinkar. I got the colleges as well. I got IMT Hyderabad, I got GLIM Gurgaon and other colleges as well. Guys, had you seen in the first days of my college, you would have realized that this guy has no communication skills. This guy has no confidence. This guy has nothing to offer. Okay, and I was really that kind of a person who was very shy, who was very nervous, who didn't know what is going on in his life. And till this date, I'm still clueless कि कैसा इतना ज़्यादा transition हो गया in my life in just 2 years. We started, taking part in case studies. We started forming teams. We started practicing for that. भाई अब रजिस्टर तो कर दिया, पार्टिसिपेट कैसे करेंगे? सो वी स्टार्टेड रिसर्चिंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, वी मेड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स इन दैट कॉलेज, ओके। एंड आई विल बी ऑनेस्ट, मुझे बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली है ग्रो करने के लिए। आई गॉट अ वेरी सपोर्टिव ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स जहाँ पे कि मैं आई वॉज ओपन टू डिस्कशन, कम्युनिकेशन एंड एक्सप्रेस माई एग्रीमेंट्स एंड डिसएग्रीमेंट्स, ठीक है। Because of which then we went into national finals, we won a lot of finals as well. एंड इससे मुझे रियलाइज हो कि आई गॉट टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ आइडिएशन स्किल्स, अ लॉट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, अ लॉट ऑफ नेगोशिएशन स्किल्स। यार जब तुम अपने टीममेट्स के साथ डिस्कस करते रहे तो यू रियलाइज कि यार मे बी मेरा सोल्यूशन करेक्ट है, सो आई हैव टू कन्विंस द सामने वाले पर्सन। हो सकता है कि उसका सोल्यूशन सही है, तो सो यू हैव टू टेक क्रिटिसिज्म्स फ्रॉम देम, राइट? I have been the national finalist for Smart India Hackathon 2022. I have been the global winner for Junda Loop Innovation Challenge. I have been the national winner for a competition that was held in IIT Jodhpur. I have been the national winner for IIFM Bhopal. So ऐसे ideation challenges करते करते I got to learn a lot of things. Social media played a lot of role for building my confidence. यार मेरे वीडियोस, मेरे ये पोस्ट अगर वायरल हो रहे, इट इज बिकॉज आई हैव दैट मच कॉन्फिडेंस टू tolerate the amount of hate that I might potentially receive. And ये कैसे हुआ? ये इसीलिए हुआ because I was bullied in school, I was bullied in college, I was bullied in MBA as well. And of course वो तो भाई students पे depend करता है, your peer group, whatever. So these things shape you as a person, and I am extremely grateful to have received the opportunity to do an MBA. I am happy that I am financially stable कि मुझे ये करने का मौका मिला, बिकॉज आई पर्सनली फील कि अंदर का तुम्हारा जो डेवलपमेंट है, कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट, वो MBA में होती है. एंड for solving case study competitions, to be a part of, you know, the esteemed group of students who are going to some other college. You have to travel a lot, you have to prepare a lot. 10, 11, 12 बजे तक कॉलेज में बैठ के तुमको केस स्टडीज सॉल्व करनी है, तुम्हें झगड़ना है अपने टीममेट्स के साथ कि यार मेरा सोल्यूशन करेक्ट है. यू हैव टू आइडिएट सोल्यूशंस. इसका बिजनेस कैसे होगा, इसको मोनेटाइज कैसे करेंगे, प्रॉफिट्स कहाँ से आएगा, ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट कहाँ से आएगा. A lot of things you do in life. I have won around 25 competitions. I've participated in around 200. MBA ऐसे ही करते करते खत्म हो गया. I did not pay much attention to studies because I believed practical implementation would help more. And जो कि मुझे अभी realize हो रहा है कि यार MBA में अगर हमने ये किया होता, स्टडीज ही किए होते, रट्टा मारा होता, तो शायद I would not have been as skilled जितना मैं हूँ. I'm not saying I'm successful, but I'm in the process of becoming successful. ठीक है. So ये एक चीज थी. Other than that, I personally believe कि once my MBA completed, उसके 1 महीने बाद I did a research and I realized कि यार मुझे MBA के कंटेंट पर एक पेज बनाना चाहिए where I should start explaining things. I should start making content related to MBA. A few months back when I had started this page, I was in a very huge rush in order to be more and more consistent. I was like, I'm going to get viral क्योंकि मुझे consistency रखनी है. I want to get viral on Instagram, इसलिए मैं पेज पे consistency बनाऊंगा. And in that process, I forgot that I had to be more and more creative. I had to drive as many engagements as possible. And not only that, guys, quality is always over quantity. And this is something that I forgot. This was my mistake. मुझे वहाँ पे opportunity space दिखी कि people would love to see me traveling to new places. They would love to know my perspective on things. यार हमेशा IIM वाले students बनाते हैं because people want to see the top. कि how does it feel to be at the top, right? But obviously I agree with you on this point कि यार they are one of the top notch students. But middle भी तो है. Life is not black and white. And I wanted to show the reality. And that is the opportunity space that I found. And उसी के basis पे then I started making content. And slowly and steadily, I believe my confidence, my communication skills, my business skills developed to such a level कि आज I feel confident speaking in front of the camera. I feel confident giving lectures and speeches in colleges in front of 500 students. क्योंकि यार मैंने presentation दिया है. So now I personally feel very comfortable talking to people, camera, answering questions. क्योंकि quick thinking skills are required. And yes, I completely attribute my character and personality development, skills development to MBA. सो आई रियली होप गाइज कि तुम लोग का भी MBA बहुत अमेजिंग हो एंड यू गाइज गेट टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ स्किल्स एंड थिंग्स, एंड वो ऑब्वियसली होगा. सो लेट्स विश फॉर द बेस्ट. This is your boy Saurabh signing off. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, cheers.